Max the car guy with an '06 Mitsubishi Raider. Awesome truck, beautiful wheels, tires, low mileage. Probably my favorite color. Bed liner, throw in all your toys, all your tools, go to work, go to play. It can handle it. Awesome truck. We can probably get you financed too. If we can't do it, nobody can. Drive this truck home today. I'll give you a good price. Contact me through the website, Max the Car Guy. Contact me right through the website. You'll be driving this thing as soon as we can get you in it.